Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your SafePal wallet after firmware update. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your SafePal wallet after a firmware update, start by powering on your device. Unlock your SafePal wallet using your PIN code. Once the wallet is unlocked, go to the Settings menu. Scroll down to find the Firmware Update option. Select this to confirm the update has been completed. Return to the main screen of your SafePal wallet. Locate and select the Restore Wallet option. You will be prompted to input your recovery phrase. Carefully enter all the words in the correct order. Make sure to double-check each word for accuracy. After entering the recovery phrase, the wallet will verify it. If successful, the wallet will restore your previous assets. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Once done, you will see your wallet balance reflected on the screen. To confirm everything is restored, check your transaction history. If the balance and history look correct, your wallet is successfully restored. Congratulations, you have completed the restoration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.